Update watch R. Pamain, pamain.
The council disagreed, but Mother disagreed. They were afraid it would cause a panic. We were gonna go public anyway, but once.
What? You mean your dad?
Anyway, the guard showed up before I left. That's why today. That's why it was worth the risk. Even if we all die, at least all themselves in their time.
You're gonna kill more people, aren't they?
Good. After what they did to me, safe for it now.
You don't mean that.
Hi guys. Ay, saglit. Magsishare ako. I-share ko muna siya. Ang update sa watch R. Ang ano naman dito eh. Yan guys, si Jenny. Ay, hindi ma-share. Dapat pala ito ma-share.
Octavia, what the hell are you doing?
Ayun.
Octavia! You can't swim!
No, but we can stay in. Wait, there's not supposed to be a river.
Normal lang tayo.
Well, there is.
Kaya lang, wala tayong music. Wala tayong music guys. Chat. Wala lang tayong music. Wala tayong music ha?
Ay, syuhada ka.
Octavia, get out of the water!
Uy, hala, dali, bilis!
Ano, malandi ko.
Ah! Ano ba yan? Hala, ang lak, ano yun? Di sa ano? Halas? Ano yun, boy?
Di kasi nila alam po ng mga klaseng animal sa kanya.
Ano yan, boy, series?
Hindi. Ay, seriously.
Hello, to people. Hello. Naririnig niyo ko, guys. Ano ito nila? Reflex to, ano? Hello!
Malandi ka kasi.
Mag-type naman kayo dyan. Uy, ba't ko lang nagtatype?
Ay! Nandiyan na naman!
Hello, ano yan? Halas? Dali, bilis! Lalo pa ako rin siya.
You're gonna be okay.
Note to self. Next time, save the girl.
Serious yan, boy?
Yes, oo.
Mag-type naman kayo, guys. Ano? Pamain, pamain. Pamain. Naririnig niyo ako? Hala, bakit?
Tinatanggal nila yung mga ano.
Who's next? What the hell are you doing?
Uy, ba't hindi kayo nagko-comment?
Liberating ourselves. What does it look like?
Nagko-comment ba kayo, guys? Comment naman kayo dyan, guys. Oy.
These wristbands are all we've got. Take them off and the ARC will think we're dying. That it's not safe for them to follow.
That's the point, Chancellor. We can take care of ourselves. Can't we?